Okay, so here we are. We are going to do a glitter dauber. First, I get the electrical tape and get a piece to cover at least 3 times around. 1, 2, 3, cut, and wrap it. There we are, and I put this to the end of a piece I get at Home Depot or Lowe's. It is a 3/4 to fit the PVC pipe. It has the little grooves in it, so it turns, tight connection on there. Just turn it, and if you have a different size, then you could use a different. Then I go outside and spray paint it. You don't have to do this, but I choose to, so there we are. Then I do epoxy. This is Mr. Nola's. Sometimes I use Mr. Nola's. I also use Speedy Petey. It depends on if I need it to be dry faster. But this one I want to move around a little bit, so I use the glass coat for Mr. Nola's, which I love. Mix it for 3 minutes, or however your bottle says mix your epoxy. Everybody has different mix times. I do it for 3 minutes, but I'm not going to bore you to mix this whole 3 minutes, I promise. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my video. And also check out my website, Shandon's Creations. I would appreciate it. And now we are going to add epoxy to the dauber. I am doing alcohol ink on this black dauber, so I'm going to add a lot of epoxy to it so it moves around. You will figure out what you like to do when you do these. It's just, you know, same thing with tumblers. You find your groove and you just go with it. I've done probably 150, maybe even 200 daubers. Probably more than that actually, but I love doing these. They're fun. So here we are, just adding some more. This is going to be also a alcohol ink as well. So I add a little bit extra to get it moving around. You don't want it to be, you know, just sitting there not moving. It's pointless for your alcohol inks. Then this one is going to be a glitter dauber. So there we are. And this one's also going to be a glitter dauber. You will see me do glitter here in a minute. And if you're not checked out my TikTok, you could check out my TikTok and it shows you all the glitter I have there. I have almost over 1,000 bottles of glitter in my shop. On the ceiling all the way to the floor. It's crazy. Okay, and now we're going to do the alcohol ink. Remember, this is I think it's black I'm using. On black because I think it just gives it a really pretty color whenever you add your white to it. And this is going to be gold. Black and gold. Don't make my mistake and add too much gold because it will take over your dauber, as you see here that I'm about to fix to do. Yeah, I'm fixing to do it right now. Oh no. Yes, I did. Made a mistake. It's okay. It was fun. The customer loved it. That's alright. But next time I know, not so many drops of gold. It will take over. Now we're going to move this gold around. I'm using a heat gun. Do not use torch on this. It will set fire. Repeat, do not use your torch. Heat gun's the best thing for your daubers. Heat guns will catch your dauber on fire. Trust and believe. There I am moving around. Now we're going to do the next dauber, which I did red and blue. I'm just adding some more epoxy to it so it can move because I didn't put enough the first time. So there we are. Just adding plain epoxy, getting that alcohol ink moving. I love how that turned out. Glitter, glitter, glitter. So the next two I'm just glittering. And that's how you do your glitter, your daubers. Don't forget, you go back through it with another coat of epoxy, you add your name. Same thing if you do tumblers, it's the same process. Glitter, epoxy, epoxy again if you need to, and then your name, whatever you want to add to it, and then epoxy a few more times. And then you have an amazing glitter dauber or alcohol ink dauber, whichever one you are doing. And once again, I thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm going to start doing more videos like this so you can see what I do, how I do it. I really love doing this kind of stuff. So not 100% good at it yet, but that's okay. We all have to start somewhere, and especially videos is not my thing, y'all. Alrighty, here we are. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget, check out my TikTok and my website, shannonscreations.com.
So y'all, let me tell you about this conversation I had with one of my friends. I just couldn't believe it. Okay, so she came up with this really, really good idea. And I was like, yo, that's dope. You should do it. And she was like, I can't. I just looked on Instagram and saw that they already have that. I said, so why can't you do it? She was like, because it's already on Instagram. Somebody already did it. I said, okay, so why can't you do it? She said, because somebody already did it. I said, didn't Rihanna create Fenty like there wasn't MAC? Did she not create Savage Fenty like we didn't have Victoria's Secret and other lingerie stores? How many McDonald's and Burger Kings are across from each other like they